Encountering a no key found error in your 2021-2024 Buick Envision? This happens when your car can't detect the key fob, usually due to a dead or weak battery inside the fob. The Envision uses a keyless ignition system that relies on the fob signal. When the battery dies, that signal is lost. Don't worry, you're not stranded. We'll show you how to start your car. The Envision has a hidden key slot designed for this exact scenario. Locate this slot. It's usually in the center console, near the gear shifter, or even in the cup holder area. Check your owner's manual for the exact location in your model year, as locations can differ slightly. This slot allows you to bypass the wireless system. First, use the physical key blade found inside your key fob to manually unlock the driver's side door. Then, insert the entire key fob into the hidden slot located in the center console. Press the start button while the fob is in the slot. This should allow the car to start, even with a dead fob battery. The car will only start if the fob is fully inserted into the slot. The long-term solution to the no key found error is to replace the key fob battery. These fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. You can find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, grocery stores, or online retailers for around $5 to $10. Consult your owner's manual or search online for specific instructions on how to open your fob model and replace the battery. Make sure to correctly install the new battery. The Envision uses passive entry, passive start, or PEPS technology. The key fob constantly communicates with the car via radio waves. A weak battery means a weak signal, causing the no key found error. Colder temperatures can also accelerate battery drain, making this issue more common in winter. This is why the hidden slot is a crucial backup. If the hidden slot method doesn't work, a software update might be needed. Contact your Buick dealership or use OnStar if subscribed to check for available updates. Some updates improve error handling for key fob issues. While a software update helps, it may not fully resolve a dead battery issue, so always replace the battery first. To prevent the no key found issue, check your key fob battery annually. Consider using the My Buick app, which may offer battery health alerts. The trend in keyless systems is towards improved battery life, smartphone as key technology, and better user warnings. Future cars may rely more on digital keys or rechargeable fobs to avoid dead battery problems altogether. Many Buick Envision owners have successfully resolved the no key found error using the hidden slot and battery replacement methods. For example, a 2022 Envision owner in Minnesota started their vehicle in freezing weather by using the hidden slot after their key fob battery died. After replacing the battery, they had no further issues. Another case involved a Florida owner who fixed the error during a road trip by inserting the fob into the hidden slot. General Motors provided a free software update to prevent the problem from recurring. Ignoring this issue can lead to expensive roadside assistance, with towing costs averaging $150 to $300 for common problems like dead key fob batteries. Auto repair experts recommend checking key fob batteries annually, keeping a spare programmed fob readily available, and understanding backup methods to ensure reliability. While keyless systems provide convenience, they require regular maintenance and can fail. Understanding these backup methods is essential to avoid unexpected breakdowns.